Assalamu alaikum everyone. One of the beautiful names of Allah SWT is Al-Kareem. It means the most generous. Allah is Al-Kareem because He gives endlessly. His generosity has no limits, whether it's wealth, health, forgiveness or guidance. When we ask Allah SWT for something, He gives more than we expect. And even when we forget to ask, He still provides. That is the kind of generosity no one else can match. Even when we make mistakes, Al-Kareem forgives. He hides our faults, honors us, and never stops caring. If you ever feel like you don't have enough, turn to Al-Kareem, speak to Allah SWT, trust Him. Because when you ask Al-Kareem, you will never leave empty-handed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as you can. Thank you for watching.